Ladybugs. What are ladybugs? Ladybugs are insects. There are over 400 different kinds of ladybugs in North America. There are hundreds more around the world. Ladybugs are small beetles with a round body like half a ball. They have 6 legs and 2 pairs of wings. Most are red or yellow with black spots. What do ladybugs look like? Some ladybugs are black with red spots, and some are black or brown with white spots. We are going to look at red ladybugs with black spots. Ladybugs have 2 eyes that can see up, down, backward, and forward at the same time. They have 2 antennae for feeling and 2 jaws for biting. How big are ladybugs? Some kinds of ladybugs are bigger than others. An eyed ladybug, like the one in this picture, is about as long as your little fingernail. These 16-spot ladybugs are very, very tiny. They are about the same size as the head of a pin. How are ladybugs born? In spring and summer, the weather is warm and female ladybugs lay eggs on the underside of leaves. The eggs are oval and pale yellow. After 4 days, a larva hatches out of each egg. The larvae are called grubs. Some ladybug larvae have black, pointed bodies and 6 legs. How do ladybugs grow? When the larvae hatch, they grow very quickly and molt 3 times in 3 weeks. The larvae turn dark blue with yellow or red spots. After 4 weeks, each larva sticks its body to a leaf and turns into a pupa. A week later, it splits open and out crawls a ladybug. It stretches its wings to dry. What do ladybugs eat? Most ladybugs look for tiny green insects called aphids to eat, but some kinds of ladybugs eat the leaves of plants. Larvae eat the same food as the adult ladybugs. A grub will eat more than 200 aphids before it turns into a pupa. Which animals attack ladybugs? Ladybugs do not have many predators. Their bright color warns that they do not taste nice. Some kinds of spiders eat ladybugs. Sometimes ants attack ladybugs and try to stop them from eating aphids. The ants want the aphids for their own food. Where do ladybugs live? Ladybugs live where they can find food to eat. They also need leaves where they can lay their eggs. You will find ladybugs where there are lots of flowers or trees. They eat the aphids that live on the leaves or stems of the flowers. How do ladybugs move? Ladybugs use their wings to fly and look for food. When they land on a plant, they fold their wings under their wing covers. When a ladybug climbs up a stem, it holds on with its 6 feet. It crawls very quickly to catch the aphids. How long do ladybugs live? Most ladybugs live through the spring, summer, and autumn. Many die in the cold winter because they cannot find enough food to eat. Ladybugs do not like the cold weather. In the winter, you may sometimes see them huddled together in the trunk of a tree or under a big stone. What do ladybugs do? People who have gardens like ladybugs because they eat pests. Pests harm the plants and gardens. Sometimes farmers bring lots of ladybugs to their farms and orchards. The ladybugs eat aphids and the other insects that kill the farmers' plants. How are ladybugs special? When a ladybug comes out of its pupa, its color is very pale and it has no spots. It takes about 2 days to become bright red with black spots. Ladybugs do not have ears, so they cannot hear. They can feel vibrations with their feet, so they know if something is coming. Thinking about ladybugs. Do you remember what happens to Ladybug's eggs after she lays them? How do ladybugs grow? This child is going to look after some ladybugs. What do you think the ladybugs will need to eat? Ladybug map. Antenna, head, eyes, spot, wing covers, body, legs, transparent wings. Ladybug.